Is dropshipping dead? Can you still make money online? Has the new pandemic had any effect on making money? We'll find out. In this series, I'm calling I Tried Shopify Dropshipping in 1 week. Alright, what's up guys? Welcome to the Greenback Channel YouTube channel. And before we get started, I'm going to let you guys know that I'm not trying to manipulate you into buying a $1,000 course or anything.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
I'm actually a somewhat beginner. I've only been dropshipping for about 2 to 3 months. So I'm going to learn along the way with you guys. Let's start on the first thing of our challenge, which is actually finding a winning product we can work with. There are a couple of ways you can go on with this. First thing is scrolling down through your Facebook feed or Instagram feed and seeing what products show up more often. Because if the other company person, it's the product's working for them, it will most likely work for you too. So I'm gonna look around and see and come back with you guys once I find a winning product.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, I think I found a product that we can work with. It is these dishwashing sponge gloves. And before you start questioning why I actually chose this product, I have a couple of reasons. The first reason that this actually helps solve a real problem. The design helps clean away all dirt and germs while protecting your skin from other contaminants. And the second reason is that this will help you clean twice as fast. And lastly, I just saw this in my feed like consistently, so I knew it was a winning product. Okay guys, it is time to make the website. So I actually put a quick one on you guys, and I found one of my old one product stores that I don't use anymore. So I'm just gonna switch this product with that product and do some editing and some changes. And I'll give you guys a quick speed run of it, and I'll come back after I make the website. Be real with you guys, and it is actually day 3 of the challenge. Yesterday I could not record because I was not home, but I did end up finishing the website and the advertisement for our product. So I'll show you guys that right now. The quick picture royalty free image I got from Google. Scroll down, here's the bar I added, or it's already added. Order page, everything. Scroll down, you can see the video. You can see I introduced the product next. Then here's a quick GIF of the product. Some features I added, kept it quick and simple, easy to read. Scroll down, here's another GIF. Let them know why they actually need this, the benefits. Scroll down a little more, here's the product itself. So I kept it simple, you don't need to do too much of the home page. The main part is the product page, where I'm going to show you right now. In the product page, here's the product itself. You can choose between which color you want, the quantity, selling it for about 16 bucks. Scroll down, here's a table I added. What I learned is that all of my past stores, the table actually made a huge difference. Scroll down, you can see another reasons why they need it, saves lots of money. Here's GIFs I added, the benefits and the things the product does for them. Clean dishes, withstands extreme heat, and before and after comparison. And here's more reviews of the product. and as seen on TV. And lastly, here are the reviews I got straight from AliExpress. They're pretty good. People love this product. Okay guys, now I'm gonna show you the advertisement for our product. So I kept it really simple. I'm gonna give you a quick time lapse of it. Alright, now comes the main part of our challenge, which is actually the marketing part. For now, I'm gonna be actually using influencer marketing, which is actually when I paste an influencer on something like Instagram to promote my product. It is less costly than something like Facebook advertising, and you can reach a lot more people in a short amount of budget. Okay, for influencer marketing, you need to contact influencers related to your product. You have to DM each one of them asking for how much their promo is. So that's what I'm gonna be doing for like a couple of minutes or something. I don't know how long, but hopefully some influencer contacts me back. Alright, I actually found an influencer that got back to me. They have about almost 568 something thousand followers, and we agreed upon a 12-hour post for about $33. So here's a quick tip. You don't need to get like a 24-hour post, because the main engagement of the people comes from the first to about max about 12th hour. So that's the influencer I'm gonna be using for the first day, and I'll get back to you when I. Alright, for some reason yesterday's post actually never went up. I contacted the influencer and they actually responded towards the night. So I just told them to hold it until the next day. It's the next day now, day 4, and the post actually just went up. It is doing pretty good, more than I usually see. But we'll see how it plays out, and I'll catch you guys after I show you the results. This is day 5 of the challenge, and the results just came in. Drum roll please. In total, made one sale equaling $18.97. So we spent $33 on the influencer. Product cost was about $3.30. PayPal and Shopify's fee equals about 85 cents. So in total, we actually lost about $18. Alright, before you guys start thinking, oh, how did he lose money? He told me it was gonna be profitable.
Stop it. Get some help.
Alright, first of all, this is no get rich quick scheme. And second of all, I actually took the lesson into accountability, and I made some changes to the website. Alright, the first changes I actually made to the website was just cleaning it up. That means spacing out the words and paragraphs, adding new GIFs, pictures, and just making everything flow together. The second change I made was adding an app that basically states like who bought from the website just now, so it increases purchases usually. The last thing I added was just more reviews to the website to give it more credibility. Alright, now that we have made the changes to our website and everything, it is time to continue on to influencer marketing. So I'm going to be contacting more influencers today for a post that we can make tomorrow, and I'll get back with you when I find an influencer.
Eventually.
Alright, it is day 7 of the Shopify Dropshipping Challenge. Yesterday I found a small influencer that worked. I never got into recording it, but they had about 200,000 something followers, and they had pretty good engagement. For 24 hours they're asking about $20. I brought it down to about $10 for about only 12 hours. So the post actually did pretty good. It got about 25 something in sales, which ends up with about $8 profit, almost double the income out of that just one post. For today, I actually found a little bigger influencer. They have about 600,000 followers. For 24 hours, they're asking about $30, $40. I brought it down to $20 for about 12 hours. So that post just went up. I'll get back to you guys and I'll show you guys the results.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting.
It is the very next day, and the results for my last influencer just came in. And to give you a heads up, I was a little disappointed. In total, we made $0 in sales. Alright, there could be a couple of reasons why I did not get any sales. The first reason could be because the advertisement itself didn't do as good as all the other posts that the page had. Secondly, it could have also been the product. Like I said, I saw this product in my feed for about a month or 2. That means it could have been saturated. Okay, so a quick overview of all the results. In total, we got about $44 in sales. And influencers, we spent about $65. Product cost was about $10. Shopify fees was about $1.30. So we actually lost about $32. At the end of the day, this is not going to stop me from doing more dropshipping, Shopify dropshipping, or any other business out there. It only motivates me to keep going I'm moving on. Enough of the motivational speech. Make sure you guys drop a like and a sub, and I'll see you guys next video.